Jing. You can call me Jing. I'm the partner of Adrian. This morning, my topic is about smart tips on financing your business. I'll bring you all the way up to the cloud, okay? And then I'll let Wai Song, Annie, and Cangel to bring you down later. Okay? So I'll let you feel very good this morning. My topic is about financing your business, okay? Of course, starting from your own funds, your own internal, your own savings, to bank borrowings, and finally to equity funding. And then I'm going to tell you what's available outside and how do you, what do bankers and investors look for, and then at the end, how do you go about getting the financing that you need for your business. Right? So before you even can get any financing, I would think that it's very important for you to...
I'm Cangel from SMI Corporate Services. Easy to remember, you can call me or Corporate Angel. That's why, C, Angel with a C in front. Corporate Angel or Company Angel. Okay? So, let's start for today's session. I will talk more on the choosing the right entity for your business. Before I start, I just want to ask all the participants here, doing business easy or not easy? Not easy, right? A lot of things have to take into considerations like staff, financials, management, administrations, and compliance side, some of it. Okay, so let's check.
My name is Annie, and I have been working here for 4 years and 4 months. What you want to know about accounting and GST? They answer me, I want to reduce my tax. I want to, how can I exempt to pay GST? So that one I think is not really about accounting. How do I reduce my taxes? Why I want to reduce my tax? Because my cash outflow. Paying taxes is my cash outflow. So how do I reduce my tax? The very first important thing that how much you can earn, how much you have to pay. It's about your income, inflow and outflow, right? So this inflow and outflow, it comes from accounts. That's why by viewing of your accounting performance is very important. And do your forecasting. Forecasting also very important. So I try to change your mindset that to review accounts as a business owner, you should review your accounts oftenly. You should set your budget, set your target, and set your cash flow forecast. All right. So about accounting information and forecast of cost versus revenue. I will teach you how to, like roughly, you know your company fixed cost. What is variable cost? What is fixed cost? I will go through with it. So you know your company fixed cost. In order to maintain this fixed cost, how much I should actually generate my sales to maintain this fixed cost. Let's say I want to top up, I want to earn 100,000. How much sales I targeted for the next year or this year. So GST, I don't talk details, but I try to highlight GST registration because we face a lot of problem. Client, existing client, new client, when they come to us, Annie, I want to register GST, but it's too late. The sales 500 threshold already exceeded few months ago. So there is a hefty penalty and GST payment. So I try to highlight again on GST register when you need to register. And business evolution. As you know, generation 90s, 80s, and millennium. There are so many type of way of doing business. So I will touch a little bit on how business evolves.
And I'm a tax manager in AY. Initial setup for tax compliance. People talk about tax planning, tax optimization. So actually it's not talking about how much tax you're going to pay only. You have to know that whatever in which position, even though T lady, position side, assuming underemployment, even though T lady also got his stress, manager also got his stress, there is a risk there. People complain, all these things have to pay a penalty, all this. Because sometimes compliance also actually is a cost. If let's say you do it proper, means that you risk lower, means that you feel more comfortable environment to do your business. Some people you can see, oh, they pay lower tax. I tell you, but sometimes because why he pay lower tax? He can, all arrangement is pay lower tax, but not compliance. Actually, they only defer the payment of the tax liability. It's true. Go back to the same thing. I said, actually, I'm not same generation with Annie. I'm actually is the first one. The first one. Annie is the middle. Jing and me is the first one here. Jing and me. Okay, why I say so? Because why? You should know that now all the things is changed. All the things is changed. What should I do? What should I do and what should I avoid? I think this is the one that you want to know. Last time people go and ask you, hey, accountant, okay, I just intend to give 1,000 only. Okay, because share market not good, I can pay 1,000. Then the account come out, then I submit the tax 1,000. Low tax or not? Wow, tax optimization, tell you. But thanks to you, there's a risk there. Why? Actually, the initial part, actually the first thing is you want to know that it's a tax compliance. Tax compliance. That's why you should want to know what should I do, what should I avoid. The second thing about initial setup for tax optimization strategies. I got kids with 3 kids lah. Everybody know that. Hey, what you want to train for your kids for future, then you become what? So if you say anything goes wrong, means that the time that you feed is wrong. Same things like the initial setup for tax optimization is very important. Because why people want to differentiate? Why initially Cangel want to highlight to you, hey, what is the sole proprietorship there? I don't talk about risk. Okay, what about traditional partnership? Why they come with a limited liability partnership or whether it's Sendirian Berhad? I don't know whether this one they got any others entity will come in. But thanks to you, this one you have to really relook on that. Relook on your structure when you want to do. Because you cannot put a watermelon seed and plant it, then it become Musang King. Never. I never see. Possible future, yes, but not now. I didn't aware there's this mechanism or secret recipe to transform these things. Okay. The next one will be a tax tips for entrepreneurs should not miss out. Actually, for those that should not miss out, thanks to you, actually it's common. Because I only got 45 minutes, I cannot go to the depth. But I just tell you sometimes that common people may miss out. What is the common? Talking about, why don't just share about happy things. I also want to let you know, aware some things that the director's liabilities. Why? Because all the director, every time I meet them, they say that, hey, 威松啊，信晒你噶啦 ，everything 搞掂啦，我簽啫啦 ，OK。But thanks to you, the responsibility actually is the director. Thanks, everybody trust me. So hopefully the day before I submit my tax, I didn't quarrel with my wife. Because I'm not good possible, I do wrong. Okay.